There's a reason some cars hit 1,000,000 miles while others die before 100,000. I've seen both in my shop, and the truth is, it's not always the brand. It's how you treat the engine. Today, I'm giving you 13 powerful secrets that will make your car last as long as you want, maybe even forever. And at the end, I'll share 2 bonus secrets I personally used to push my Ford F-150 past 465,000 miles and still climbing. Let's begin. Secret number 13, the 30-second warm-up rule. Most drivers warm up their cars the wrong way. Idling for 10 to 15 minutes on a cold morning doesn't help your engine, it actually hurts it. Modern engines don't need long idle times. They need oil circulation under light driving. When you idle too long, fuel doesn't burn properly. Raw gas washes down your cylinder walls and removes the oil film that protects your pistons. That's how engines start burning oil before 100,000 miles. Do this instead. Start the car, let it idle for 30 seconds, and then drive gently for 3 to 5 minutes. This warms the engine fast and protects everything inside. Secret number 12. The coolant acid flush method. Coolant doesn't just cool, it protects. But when coolant ages, the chemicals break down and it turns acidic, silently eating your radiator, heater core, water pump, and even your head gasket. To the naked eye, old coolant looks fine. Inside, it's corrosive poison. Most experts recommend replacing coolant every 3 years or 30,000 miles, even if the jug claims 100,000-mile protection. Real-world driving is not lab conditions. Do this one thing on time and you'll avoid thousands in repairs. Secret number 11. The MAF sensor cleanse. A dirty MAF sensor makes your engine run blind. It causes rough idle, hesitation, poor fuel economy. Stalling. Worst part? People change injectors and O2 sensors when all they need is a $7 can of MAF cleaner. Every 10,000 miles, remove the sensor, spray it with MAF cleaner only, let it dry and reinstall. No touching, no scrubbing. This simple cleanse can restore lost power and even extend catalytic converter life. Secret number 10. The transmission time bomb rule. If your transmission fluid smells burnt, the damage is already in motion. Manufacturers love saying lifetime fluid, but lifetime only means until the warranty ends. If you drive in traffic, tow or haul change your ATF every 30,000 to 50,000 miles. Fresh red fluid equals long life. Brown, dirty fluid equals early failure. A fluid service costs a couple hundred. A rebuilt transmission costs $3,000 to $4,000. Choose wisely. Secret number 9. The napkin filter effect. A cheap oil filter is like using a napkin as a coffee filter. Good filters catch tiny metal particles. Cheap filters let sand-sized debris into your engine and can collapse internally. Brands like Wix, Mobil 1, Bosch, and OEM filters are built properly. The $3 gas station filter is a gamble you don't want to take. Clean oil is good. Clean oil with a good filter is life. Secret number 8. The one-click fuel rule. Every time you top off after the pump clicks, you're flooding your charcoal canister a $400 to $800 part. This causes EVAP leaks, check engine lights, and failed emissions. All because you tried to squeeze in a few extra cents of fuel. Stop at the first click. Your EVAP system and your wallet will thank you. Secret number 7. OEM sensor-only rule. Your vehicle's computer trusts sensor data blindly. Cheap aftermarket sensors send bad signals, and the car reacts with stalling, misfires, no starts, random error codes. Always choose OEM sensors for camshaft, crankshaft, throttle, oxygen, and MAF. It costs a little more now, but saves thousands later. Secret number 6. The tire rotation ritual. Not rotating your tires damages more than rubber. It destroys your suspension too. Front tires take the most abuse. Rotate them every 5,000 miles, every oil change. This doubles tire life and prevents cupping, vibration, and blown struts. A $30 rotation can save you $1,000 in suspension repairs. Secret number 5. The car brain relearn rule. Most modern cars need a reset after replacing certain parts. Replace a throttle body, battery, or sensor without performing a relearn procedure, and your car may run worse, not better. Some cars need throttle relearn, battery registration, idle reset, pedal sequence resets. If the engine computer doesn't know a part was replaced, it keeps using old data, and you get rough idle codes or no-start issues. Secret number 4. The winter rust wash down. Salt doesn't just rust your car, it rots it from the inside out. It attacks your frame, brake lines, fuel lines, and suspension. Undercarriage washes every 2 to 3 weeks in winter can save your car from becoming Swiss cheese. $10 now saves hundreds on future repairs. Secret number 3. The injector bomb cleanse. Injectors and valves collect carbon over time. This reduces fuel economy, kills power, and causes knocking. Twice a year, run a high-quality fuel system cleaner like Chevron, Techron, Redline SI1, Liqui Moly Jectron. A $10 cleaner prevents a $400 injector service or a $2,000 valve cleaning. Secret number 2. Fix small leaks. Early. One drop on your driveway today can destroy your engine tomorrow. Oil leaks lower pressure. Coolant leaks cause overheating. Transmission leaks cause slipping. Leaks never stay small. Fix them fast before they grow expensive. Secret number 1. The 5K oil rule. Ignore this rule and your engine is living on borrowed time. 5,000 miles is the ideal oil change interval no matter what your manual claims. Modern synthetic oil breaks down from heat, moisture, fuel contamination. Stop-and-go driving. Stick to the 5K rule and use a quality synthetic oil plus premium filter. This one habit alone can take your engine to 300,000, even 500,000 miles. Bonus secret. Number 1. Replace all rubber hoses. Every 7 years, rubber ages from the inside. Even if it looks fine outside, it becomes brittle and weak. Replace coolant hoses, vacuum lines, PCV hoses, vapor lines every 7 years, no matter the mileage. High mileage legends swear by this. Bonus secret number 2. The 50,000-mile full fluid purge. Every 50,000 miles, purge all fluids, not just oil. That includes coolant, brake fluid, transmission fluid, differential fluid, power steering fluid. Think of it as a detox for your car. Do this, and your vehicle will age in reverse. These 13 secrets, and the 2 bonus ones, are the exact habits that keep engines alive for decades. Follow them, and your car will outlive your expectations